In this video, I'll show you how to archive a list using Trello in n8n, step by step, if you manage boards and want to automate list cleanup. This is a simple workflow action that can save you time and keep your Trello workspace organized. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more n8n automation guides. Let's jump right in. First, open the workflow you want to work on inside n8n. Make sure you're in the correct automation where you want this Trello action to happen. If you already have a workflow created, just open it so we can add the next step. If not, create a new workflow and get ready to build it out. Next, go to the Nodes panel. This is where you can search for and add different services and actions to your automation. In the search bar, type Trello, then select the Trello node from the list. This connects your workflow to Trello so n8n can perform actions on your board items. Once the Trello node is added, choose the action called Archive a List. This is the specific operation you need when your goal is to archive a list on a Trello board. Selecting the correct action is important because n8n offers multiple Trello operations and you want the one that matches this task exactly. After that, choose the credential you want to use. This tells n8n which Trello account has permission to access your board and make changes. If you already have a saved credential, select it from the dropdown. If not, you'll need to create and connect one before continuing. Now configure what to archive. This is the part where you specify the list you want n8n to archive. Make sure the settings point to the correct Trello list so the workflow runs on the right board item. Double check your configuration before moving on, because this is what controls the exact list that gets archived. Once everything is set, you can save your workflow and test it if needed. That's all it takes to archive a list using Trello in n8n. Simple, fast, and ready to automate your board management. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more quick n8n tutorials like this one.